Greetings, it's in the nation. So I'm coming to you with another collective message. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome. Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. I greatly and truly appreciate it. So let's go ahead and get into the energy. Remember to take what resonates for you. What doesn't resonate for you, leave it right here. So first card we have here is Crossroads. All right, so something could be significant here about someone being at a crossroads, whether this is past, present, and or future energy. Someone who is having to make a decision or someone who had to make a decision is significant. Okay, we then have match made in hell. All right, so someone could have definitely made a decision, all right, and maybe someone chose something that is now a match made in hell. Okay, this person could feel this way, or this could be someone's perspective. All right, following that, we have ashes to ashes. So something could be significant here about a passed over energy, okay, whether currently or this could be something that is a result of whatever this match made in hell is, okay. This reading could definitely tie into the reading before this because the funeral card did come out in that reading, okay. So, and I think it was two other cards talking about one was about a masculine selling out his family, and then the other was about a feminine energy being involved in another feminine family member's death. Okay, so these two readings could be tied in together. All right, so when it pertains to this crossroads energy, someone here when it pertains to the crossroads to the match made in hell energy, we have travel. All right, so someone could have traveled to another, okay, or something about traveling. Maybe someone travels for a living. That could definitely be significant. I'm picking up on that. Or someone could like go back and forth. Something about someone going back and forth could definitely be significant. We then have unknown caller. We have stalking, hanging up unknown numbers. So something could be significant here about whomever this is that's at a crossroads, okay, or made a foolish decision. All right, this person could be calling from unknown numbers. I also heard unknown lovers. All right, so something could be significant here about unknown lovers maybe calling you, okay, or playing on your phone, calling, hanging up, could be stalking you, something of that nature, okay. Following that, we have legal matters. So someone here who made a foolish decision, or this could be more than one person, take what resonates. This person could be definitely facing some sort of legal matters at this time. So we have justice, divorce, balance, and judgment. Someone could be going through some sort of divorce, okay, or someone could be under judgment, all right. Following that, we have karmic lesson. So whatever this is, either whether it pertains to you, collective, I'm getting like tables turn energy here. Okay, so someone could have been your karmic lesson, okay, and I'm also getting the energy of someone who this match made in hell energy could definitely be someone was a karmic lesson to them, or karmic or karma, okay, could definitely be significant. So when it pertains to this match made in hell and this ashes to ashes energy, we have stalker. All right, so someone could be watching you, okay, someone could have traveled, okay, and maybe this person is stalking, watching, and obsessed, okay, with who you are, or when it pertains to you. All right, something could also be significant about this person calling you, okay, or they could be getting other people to call you, okay, or this could be a stalker of another person, and maybe this person is calling you or obsessed with you, okay. Whomever this energy is, this person could be facing some sort of legal matters as well due to this stalking, okay, watching, this obsession, all right. Like I said previously, whomever this stalker is could be a karmic lesson of yours or a karmic lesson of someone you're connected to, all right. We then have toxic people, all right, so addictions, bad advice, wrong crowd. Whoever this is that's stalking you, maybe they got tied in with the wrong crowd. I think this came out in the first reading that came out for today, okay, if I'm not mistaken. It was either the first or the second reading. I feel like the first and second readings before this one is connected. All right, so something significant here about someone getting involved with some sort of toxic people, toxic crowd. This could definitely be this match made in hell energy, okay. These toxic people could definitely be calling you, okay, or calling, hanging up, calling from unknown numbers, spam calls, any of that. We then have toxic relationships. So yeah, this is that match made in hell energy. Someone involved themselves in a toxic relationship. A toxic friend group could definitely be significant as well, but fighting, codependent, misunderstanding, and triggered could definitely be significant. Okay, so maybe someone got triggered. Okay, someone could have decided to work with this friend group or these toxic people or whatever it may be. But whatever this is, this toxic relationship energy, someone could be facing some sort of legal matters. A domestic violence in situation could be significant. I'm picking up here as well. All right, something could be toxic for maybe one individual. Could have been toxic for one individual, and the other one is like, no, that's not what I'm into. Okay, you can have someone here who is addicted to toxicity. That's what I'm picking up, whether masculine or feminine. All right. We then have love child. So something could be significant here about maybe a child that came from this relationship. Okay, that definitely could be significant. I did pick up the energy in this reading about a deceased child. Okay, so something could definitely be significant here, unfortunately, about a deceased child. Okay. Something could also be significant here, like I said previously, about a child coming from maybe something that was just a karmic lesson, okay, a karmic relationship. All right, so when it pertains to this crossroads energy, we have strength. All right, so someone here maybe needed the strength to move forward or move on. Okay, Leo energy could definitely be significant here. All right, that 8th house energy could be significant, which talks about intimacy or sex. All right, maybe something was just supposedly be built on that or was built on that. Okay, something about that. We then have magician. Something could be significant here about some sort of sex magic. Okay, I also was picking up the energy of someone trying to manifest some sort of new beginning. We have Mercury energy, so communication, knowledge, and logic is significant. Libra, Gemini, Aquarius energy is significant. The number 9 could be significant, which talks about travel again. Okay. Following that, we have the 7 of Cups. So Scorpio energy could be significant. Something could be significant here too. I'm picking up death, magic, illusions could definitely be significant also. Okay. I'm also seeing the number 8 again. Heavy Scorpio, Pluto energy here. Something is coming to an end. Some sort of transformation and rebirth could definitely be significant. We do got crossroads and ashes to ashes here. Okay. 88, 16 is significant. Something could be significant about a tower moment. Okay, or something that causes a tower moment is definitely significant. Okay, something could also be significant here about someone feeling weak. Okay, we then have the 6 of Cups. So this is pertaining to someone from your past. All right, so something significant here about someone from your past or something pertaining to your past. Okay, and like I said, I read past, present, or future energy. So this could have been something that took place in your past collective. We then have stabbed in the back. Stabbed in the back came out in reverse, so I feel like this is something that you're aware of. Okay, so whomever this energy is, I'm picking up that is trying to manifest a new beginning. This is someone who stabbed you in your back. Okay. When it pertains to this match made in hell energy, we have the Fool in reverse, okay? So someone made some sort of bad choice. We have Libra, Gemini, Aquarius energy, all right? So something is significant here about someone who took a risk, okay, in some way, shape, or form. This person could have taken a risk to travel towards you to do something stupid, okay? This person could have taken a risk to maybe try to get you wrapped up in some sort of legal issues, okay? Maybe this person did some sort of vehicle magic. Maybe this person wanted to interfere in you moving forward with this travel energy I'm picking up. Okay. We then have the 3 of Pentacles. So yeah, this person, someone here, they collaborated with another. Okay. It could definitely be this toxic relationship, this karmic lesson energy. Okay. We have Capricorn energy. All right. A masculine could definitely be significant because Capricorn energy rules the 10th house, which talks about a masculine or a father figure. Okay. Next, we have Cupid's arrow. So yeah, maybe something that's significant here. Like I said, I was picking up on love, magic, or something of that nature. Whatever this is was some sort of like intimate partnership or something of that nature I'm picking up. Okay. Maybe someone also, like I said, someone wanted to keep you from moving forward. I am picking up maybe even blocking love for you. Okay, could definitely be significant. Or tampering with someone's love life or love period. Receiving love is significant. I'm picking up here. Okay, so when it pertains to this ashes to ashes energy, we have the Seven of Pentacles energy. Okay, this Seven of Pentacles, depending on how it pops up in energy, has been giving me other partners. Okay, so something could be significant here about someone's other partners or who someone partnered with. Okay, Taurus energy could definitely be significant. All right, which is ruled by Venus, which does talk about love. I'm picking up lust. Okay, so love, lust, something done for money could definitely be significant as well. Okay, following that, we have the World card in reverse. So whomever this energy is or these energies are, they don't want a cycle to end. They don't want a cycle to come to an end. All right, the number 21 could be significant. Something could also be significant about something being seen on the publicly, or someone in a public image, a public eye could be significant as well. All right, someone's public image could be significant also here. The number 3 could be significant. Maybe there's some sort of communication over the airways when it pertains to this. All right, this could also surround someone who likes to take shortcuts as well. Okay, someone who seeks how do you say it, Spirit? Who seeks a validation. Thank you, Spirit. Someone who seeks validation could definitely be significant. And then we have the butterfly in reverse. So something is significant here about someone not changing. Okay, I'm hearing a leopard does not change. It's how does it go, y'all? Is it a leopard? A leopard does not change its spots. Thank you, Spirit. A leopard does not change its spots or something like that. Okay, so yeah, someone not going through some sort of transformation, okay, is definitely significant. Whoever this is or individuals are who could have stabbed you in the back or something of that nature, okay, or work together, I'm hearing. We then have man wearing a mask in your vicinity. So something is significant here about a man wearing a mask in your vicinity. Okay, this person could have been someone from your past. Okay, I did mention something about travel. Okay, following that, we have changed the wheel. So something is significant here about a couple or someone who was a player in a couple, okay, or partner with someone in a couple. This person, in a union or whatever it may be, this person changed the wheel, okay. We then have group of men who sleep with each other. So something could definitely be significant here about a group of men who sleep with one another being sick, okay, because it's falling underneath ashes to ashes, okay. Following that, we have corrupted family member, ex, and doctor, spell work, okay? And this is falling on the past card. So something significant here about people from your past or something that happened within your past. And too, with that stab in the back with that knife on there, something could be significant here about some sort of surgical procedure, okay? There could be some sort of legal matters resulting from whatever this corrupt Three of Pentacles energy is. Following that, yeah, we got HIV. I just now said that a group of men could be sick, okay? We got House in Virginia falling right underneath Match Made in Hell. So someone got involved in a relationship that resulted in them getting sick, okay? Following that, we have Crack is Whack. So something could be significant here about a group of masculines, and I did mention 10th house energy, who are on some sort of substances. Then we have Kill Two Birds with One Stone. So something is significant here about a man wearing a mask in your vicinity. This person could be plotting, okay, or this is what this person was plotting, maybe to harm a feminine or a masculine, okay, something of that nature I'm picking up, okay. Following that, we have group involved in sex trafficking. So whomever these energies are with this Match Made in Hell, this Match Made in Hell is also giving me failed collaboration, all right? These people were involved in changing a will as well. Whoever these people are that's involved in sex trafficking, we then have food or drink poisoning. All right, so these group of men could have plotted to poison someone, or they did, okay? We then have slept with a child, all right? So something is significant here when it pertains to a corrupt family member, ex, and or doctor. Somebody has slept with a child, plotted, planned, schemed, something of that nature. This could be like something that these individuals are trying to keep hidden, all right, because it's falling right in this past energy, or someone from your past could definitely be significant. We then have he's obsessed. So someone here sick with HIV is obsessed with you. All right. This person could also be involved in sex trafficking. We then have pretending wearing a mask. So someone who has some sort of addiction, all right, is wearing a mask. This person could have been involved in food or drink poisoning in some sort of way. This person could have poisoned a child. Okay, something about a child being poisoned here could definitely be significant. This could have been a child connected to some sort of toxic relationship. Okay, we then have pregnancy spells. So something is significant here about kill two birds with one stone. Okay, this is the first time I ever picked up this energy off of this card, but something could be significant here about someone doing spell work on someone when they were pregnant. Okay, or while they are pregnant. Okay. Following that, we have new. Okay, so something is significant here about maybe someone new. Okay, something significant. I did mention someone trying to block something from coming in for you. Okay, it's definitely significant. All right, but I'm also picking up the energy of something significant about maybe someone, and I did mention of someone from your past trying to manifest a new beginning. I'm also getting the energy of someone, maybe a new individual, okay, or some sort of new individual. So make sure that you're using your discernment and intuition. Someone is involved in sex trafficking, okay? Following that, we have a con artist. So a con artist was involved in food or drink poisoning someone, okay? This person is a part of a group of men, or this whole group of men are con artists. We then have a sugar mama. So something could be significant here about a sugar mama that slept with the child, okay? Or something is significant here about a sugar mama that's involved in this corrupt family, ex and or doctor, okay? Following that, we have sex magic, all right? And I did mention that in this reading, okay? So someone here who's obsessed, who has HIV as well, is doing some sort of sex magic. Whatever this is backfiring, okay? This could be like a new person or something that's coming out about somebody that's new or something of that nature. I don't know. This could be someone you don't know, okay? Following that, we have they despise your self-love. Fuck them. Okay, so this is in reference to someone pretending wearing a mask. Okay, someone despises your self-love, this con artist. Okay, we then, as someone here could be passing from HIV, okay, or AIDS. Okay, we then have dark warlock X. So a dark warlock X could have did spell work on you while you were pregnant. Okay, also this person is wearing a mask. We got kill two birds with one stone. I'm picking up heavy energy about an ex doing spell work on you while you were pregnant, especially with it falling on to kill two birds with one stone. Okay, if you when you are with child, okay, that's a representation of you being with child. Okay, so yeah, dark warlock X is significant. Something could be significant here about a dark warlock X and a sugar mama, okay, being involved. We then have the magic is in your DNA, black magic who, black magic what. Okay, you could be manifesting something new, all right? Then we have splurged with your money, all right? So a con artist here, a group of men, someone involved in food or drink poisoning, all right? This person or these people splurge with your money, okay? And then lastly, we have lover, family, friends, and this is falling directly on X, corrupted ex, family, and doctor. Okay, so that's everything I have for you, collective. I hope you enjoyed this reading, and I'll talk to you in the next one.